Garlic is incredibly healthy, and people have become more aware of its powers. Producers take advantage of this, and add garlic to almost everything. You can see garlic bread, garlic-flavored chips, garlic-spiced chicken, salad dressings, etc. But, we completely understand this, because garlic is one of the healthiest foods you will ever eat. It has been used since ancient times, and people have praised its beneficial effect. Ancient Egyptians have used it to boost their strength and productivity, and others used it to treat circulatory ailments and insect infestation. As explained in the Talmud from the 2nd century, garlic can be used in the treatment of parasites and other disorders. In ancient Greece, garlic was used to make people stronger, and protect skin from poisons. Ancient Romans used it to boost their cardiovascular system, treat gastrointestinal disorders, and relieve joint issues. Japanese and Chinese use garlic to improve their respiratory and digestive function. Garlic had also been used in ancient India and early America. Health benefits. Science confirms that garlic is a superfood, and one of the best remedies for common ailments. Here are some of the benefits provided by raw garlic. Prevents the development of atherosclerosis. Prevents heart attacks and coronary heart disease. Lowers cholesterol levels. Soothes bug stings. Relieves cold symptoms and hay fever. Treats fungal infections. Relieves travelers' diarrhea. Flushes out toxins. Boosts immunity. Garlic is also beneficial in the treatment of diabetes, enlarged prostate, osteoarthritis. We give you the best way. Use garlic in service of your health. Garlic and honey. Always eat your garlic raw, because heat destroys allicin, and it has this compound that gives garlic its power. Crush and mince your garlic, let it rest for 15 minutes, and stir it into your food. Crushing and mincing boost the bioavailability of garlic, so investing in a high-quality garlic press is one of the smartest decisions you will ever make. Take your garlic and honey remedy to boost your immune system, and bring your health to an optimal level. Ingredients. 2-3 raw garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon raw honey. All you have to do is combine the ingredients together. Simple as that. Garlic flu tonic recipe. Garlic can also give you a hand in the treatment of colds and flu. Garlic tonic strengthens the immune system, and it packs several super healthy ingredients. Ingredients. 5 garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, chopped. Raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. 1 lemon, juiced. 1 red chilies, chopped. Preparation. First, get a fitting 350 to 500 milliliters mason jar. Add the ingredients in layers. Start with garlic, then go on with the chili peppers, ginger, and finish with lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. You should have some free space under the rim. Put the lid on, and store the jar in your pantry. Use your remedy every day until your condition improves. You can also use it to prevent colds and flu.